please ensure you have read and understood all instructions on the screen before undertaking this job. Start by parking the vehicle on flat, level ground with the handbrake applied. Turn the vehicle off and ensure both front and rear wheels are suitably chocked and the vehicle is safely secured before proceeding. What's up guys? Today we're here with one of our 300 series Outback Adventurer SSM builds, and we're going to be showing you the install of our billet coil seat brace kit for the 300 series Landcruisers. So we're going to start on the passenger side of the vehicle with the larger two of the plates that come in the box. Super easy to slip in just up behind the coil seat here, the Superior logo facing outwards, and then with a little bit of blue Loctite, we're going to slowly install the thread through the top of the coil seat. Moving to the driver's side now, which are the smaller two of the plates, we're going to start by removing the brake line clips here that are holding the steel brake line to the diff housing. This will just give you more room to slide the plate in up underneath the spring seat. Once that one's done, you can get the plate. Now this one is a little tight just due to being a mass-produced spring seat. And now we can press it up in there, and then we need to just locate that bolt through the top. Obviously again, using a little bit of blue Loctite on that thread. That way we can fiddle around, line the bolt up and install that bolt just to finger tight again. Now we can get your 5mm Allen key out and start tightening these all up, making sure they've got that blue Loctite on it before you start tightening them up, just to make your life a bit easier. Once the plates are all tightened up, we can now make sure we refit those factory brake line clips. Once those are done, this job is fully complete.